this is Khushbu from Segan. In this video, I'll quickly take you through what this upcoming pranayama workshop and the session on full moon day is all about. Let me just open the flyer. Yeah, so this is an upcoming workshop which will be spread over 21 days. The actual workshop we are starting from 8th February. And recently we had done one webinar, a series of transformation, 21 days. So there will be many more programs coming up for 21 days, or some 21 activities relating to a particular kind of in terms of developing some either good habits or skills. So we have a lot of things planned in the coming up in the coming times. Right now we have three things: the yoga workshop, the pranayama workshop, and under this series 21 days of sound healing, which is a new special plan. And apart from this, we have one webinar coming up this 28th which will be taken up by Mrs. Prachi Puranik. It is on fundamental movement skills. So stay tuned for that as well. Let's go through what this pranayama session is all about. So this is one session which we are doing on the full moon day, which is 29th January, early in the morning, 6:30 a.m. to 7 o'clock. It will be a 30-minute session where we will be doing the practical part, the pranayama practice. This is only for one day. After this, if you wish to enroll for the program, which is starting from 8th of February, earlier I was starting it from 29th Jan itself, but since there were a lot of parents asking questions and showing an interest, I have pushed it by a few days and starting it from the next week, which is 8th of February. There will be no gap in between. It will be stretched every day, weekends, weekdays, every day we will be meeting at 6:30 a.m. and it's a 21 days long program. Now when you are trying to register for the same, let me just go back to this. There was some confusion between the registration. Just give me a second. So when you go to Segan Mantra's website and the events page, there's a separate registration for the 29th Janwala Pranayama session. If you want to enroll for the 21 days workshop, which is starting from 8th February, it is a paid program for which you will have to go here to register. There's a registration tab for this program itself, and I will change the dates. Earlier the offer was only till 25th of January. If you had attended the webinar that day, that was actually an offer for those who were attending that webinar, 21 day series of transformation, where we also discussed about the science behind pranayama, sound healing and yoga. So I've put up its recording up on YouTube channel. You can watch it anytime at your convenience. Now here it is saying 1100 only till today. I'll change the settings, change the dates. If you pay till 29th of January, even after attending the session, which is free for everyone, the charges would be 1100. But if you decide to register after that, the charges would be 1500. And this time I'm doing it paid only because, with a very sad experience, after I decided to do weekend free yoga sessions only for our group of parents who have children with any kind of learning difficulties, who are slow learners, who have any kind of developmental conditions. I got more than 200 registrations, but unfortunately, there was hardly anybody turning up for the sessions. So I learned this, that if you really want to do something, it comes with some cost, and only then we take it sincerely. And the whole idea behind doing it as a 21 days workshop is to inculcate this habit in us, to build this routine for us. So if you really want to join, or go on this journey together as a team, we are starting it from 8th of January, but on 29th, let us all meet for this. Yeah. If you have any questions after this, I will put up the Telegram group's link in the description box. Please post your queries there. Thank you.